A very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and I welcome each and every one of you to Hero National Football Championship. And it's time for the second match of the day. We are watching 76th Santosh Trophy points table. Just have a look at it. Services at the top, and then followed by the other teams. This should be an interesting game. Orange skipper, Delhi skipper Jaideep Singh, and Railway skipper Shabazz Pathan for the toss now. And the starting 11. It's going to be Kareem, Mahib, Karandeep, Sahil, Gaurav, Dhruv, Mohit, Jaideep, Bhola, Nirmal, Taranjeet. And now Railways, Anupam, Nitesh, Sanjeev, Shabazz, the skipper. And he says play on. Partha Sarathi Tulasi, head coach of Railways. Goes for the shot. He created a chance. Very important. Once again, time for another foul. Midfielder Gaurav Rawat got the yellow card. Throws it deep and just a punch from the goalkeeper Taranjeet, and it's a goal. What a timing! What a goal! Well done. Well done, Railways. Fine, very fine. This time he tried to punch it again, missed, but he didn't. Goalkeeper Taranjeet missed it, but Nuruddin, he was standing there. He knew, and Nuruddin was absolutely ready. Yes, Nuruddin, it's your day today. Railways somehow scored one with one goal, and that's the end of the first half here. Says play on. Here we go. Second half. Delhi versus Railways live from Kalinga Stadium. The first match of the final round. They scored 2 against West Bengal, but today, can they turn it from here? And I guess it's going to be a booking. Shabazz Pathan, the captain, cleared. The ball still in the box and goes for it again. But look at this. It was a good header. He missed, and good goalkeeping. This can be the moment. This can be the moment. And the attack continues. He strikes. Look at this. There were chances. There were chances. No? Good header. And he tried to go for the head. And Gaurav Rawat very angry. Okay, got the yellow card here. They are running out of time. And that was the final whistle from Sanil Kumar, the referee of the day. Well done, well played, Railways. That was today's match. Full time, the score is Railways 1 and Delhi 0.